Solar is an old idea. What's new is that solar is the most cost-effective way to generate power in sunny areas.
It's not about, is it natural gas, is it fossil fuels? We want it to be the foundation of future power plants.
What Nextracker's done is we've really focused on the fastest growing sector, which is the utility scale and distributed energy application in the sunny areas, and we've come up with the killer app, if you will, for this market, which is the tracker.
Self-power tracking is a big benefit for all the stakeholders. You're not buying the AC power from the grid. You constantly have your trackers tracking with the power of the sun.
Nextracker has a very unique design. You basically can build this entire site without any power.
When you're thinking about how the module works with the tracker and the modules work with the inverters, and you have all that in mind, it makes it a lot easier on your customers.
The Nextracker system is the most cost-effective way to deliver the most solar power. The team has a tremendous amount of solar experience, and it really starts to show through in some of the innovative designs and approaches that save the client money on their system.
We've reimagined the tracker to advance the power plant of the future and make it practical today.
One of the main reasons why we've been able to innovate so quickly is because we do a lot of 3D printing. And so most trackers, the torque tube is the point of rotation. In our case, we figured out that if you pair the center of mass with the center of rotation here, this is really where the elegance and the efficiencies of our products come in.
Additional energy is provided because we go plus minus 60 degrees, 120 degree full tracking arc. Other trackers typically go plus minus 45, total 90 degrees.
The lack of a center drive line gives us the flexibility to do a lot of maintenance on the back side of a project's construction to keep it clean by the way that the modules can point towards one another.
This is a tremendous advantage over so many different types of solar systems, especially in the area where you have very limited access to power.
We developed this technology, and very quickly it took hold as the fastest growing tracker in the world. It has the highest usage or market share of any tracker.
We're the premier tracking technology in Latin America. We have the largest tracking system in Australia. We just got our first system in India. We have China in our sites, and eventually Africa as well.
What's really amazing about this company is that we've spent a lot of time building the infrastructure. So we're not only developing product, but we're thinking about at the core of our IP, what we can do to make sure that we're not doing a one-off for every single customer.
There's a lot of benefits to the Nextracker system. We really feel it's the new way, and it's going to very soon become the industry standard in solar power trackers.
I couldn't be more excited about the solar industry than I am right now. We're looking for other sectors where we can help solar become the dominant form of new energy that's being installed.